Welcome to this comprehensive portrait drawing tutorial. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more exciting painting and drawing tutorials in the future. Remember, you can pause this video at any time to work at your own pace. Stage 1 involves the blocking process. Our goal here is to establish the basic shapes accurately. Begin with a light gesture, and as you progress, refine this shape. Utilize straight lines to ensure precision. Stage 2. Stage 2 involves identifying shadows and features. In Stage 2, we'll identify the various shapes of shadows and features, once again employing straight lines to gauge their angles and sizes. Continuously correct to capture the essence of your subject. Stage 3. Proportion and shading. Moving on to Stage 3, we'll correct proportion and start laying in some shadings to understand the interplay between the light and the darks. Remember to pay attention to soft and hard edges as you work. Stage 4 demands careful back and forth adjustment while checking the values. Ensure the relative values in different areas of the portraits relate to one another harmoniously. There you have it, the complete steps to portrait drawing. Remember, you can find a link to the reference photo in the YouTube description. So go ahead, use this method and create incredible portrait.